Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC C1250-98 indicates an internal malfunction of the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVPU, due to excessive temperature. The EVPU plays a crucial role in regulating the electric vacuum pump operation, ensuring appropriate brake assist and performance. Located typically near the brake booster, this unit monitors the temperature and function of the electric vacuum system to assist in braking operations. When the internal temperature rises beyond specified limits, the unit detects the anomaly, triggering the DTC to safeguard system integrity. It's essential to address this error promptly, as it impacts the overall braking efficiency and safety of the vehicle. Understanding the implications of this DTC and its components helps technicians effectively resolve the issue and maintain vehicle performance. The Electric Vacuum Pump Control Unit, EVPU, is responsible for managing the electric vacuum pump, ensuring optimal braking performance. This component is situated in close proximity to the brake booster. Its primary function includes monitoring the internal circuit's temperature and operation. When the temperature exceeds designated thresholds, it signals an abnormality in system functioning, which is critical for ensuring safety during braking. The EVPU's role is to maintain reliable operation under varying conditions, and any malfunction can lead to decreased braking capabilities. Therefore, addressing issues related to DTC C1250-98 is crucial for the vehicle's operational integrity and driver safety. Several factors can lead to the activation of DTC C1250-98. First, overheating of the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVPU, can occur due to prolonged usage or insufficient cooling. Second, an internal circuit failure may arise from manufacturing defects or wear over time, affecting the unit's ability to function correctly. Third, faulty wiring connections can disrupt the communication between the EVPU and other vehicle systems, leading to erroneous temperature readings and ultimately a DTC being set. These potential causes must be systematically evaluated to accurately diagnose the issue and determine the appropriate course of action. Each cause requires a different approach for resolution, highlighting the importance of thorough troubleshooting. Drivers may experience various symptoms when DTC C1250-98 is triggered. One of the most noticeable signs is a warning light appearing on the dashboard, indicating a system malfunction. Additionally, there may be a noticeable reduction in braking efficiency, making stopping the vehicle more challenging and potentially compromising safety. Inconsistent brake response can also occur, where the brakes may engage or disengage unpredictably, leading to driver discomfort and concern. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for timely intervention and repair. If neglected, these warning signs can lead to severe safety issues, emphasizing the necessity of addressing the DTC quickly and effectively. The first step in troubleshooting DTC C1250-98 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers up the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing for an initial check of dashboard indicators for any warning lights. Careful observation of system responses at this stage is crucial, as it provides insight into the operational status of the Electric Vacuum Pump Control Unit, EVPU. Any anomalies observed during this step can guide further diagnostic actions. It's essential to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly at this stage, as any discrepancies can point towards underlying issues requiring additional investigation. This preliminary step sets the foundation for the subsequent troubleshooting actions. In the second troubleshooting step, you turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode following the initial checks. It's important to allow the vehicle to remain off for at least 2 seconds. This pause is integral for the system to reset and recalibrate. After the waiting period, the vehicle should then be turned back to the on mode. This process helps in clearing transient faults and allows the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVPU, to reinitialize its functions. Observing any changes in dashboard indicators or system responses during this step can help further assess the health of the EVPU. If issues persist, it indicates that deeper diagnostics may be needed regarding the unit or its connections. After performing all necessary repairs related to DTC C1250-98, a final verification step is essential to confirm the effectiveness of the repairs. Start by ensuring that all tasks outlined in the service manual have been adequately completed. Next, it's crucial to clear the DTC from the system to reset the onboard diagnostics. Finally, a test drive of the vehicle is necessary to verify that the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVPU, operates normally under real-world conditions. Monitoring system responses during the test drive, particularly braking performance, can provide assurance that the issue has been fully resolved. This final step ensures both reliability and safety before returning the vehicle to the owner. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding recurrence of DTC C1250-98. Regular system checks should be conducted to monitor the general health of the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVPU, and associated systems. Keeping an eye on electrical connections for wear, corrosion, or disconnection can avert future malfunctions. Additionally, inspecting the cooling systems ensures that the EVPU operates within safe thermal limits. A proactive approach with routine maintenance can help in identifying potential issues before they escalate into major concerns. Implementing these procedures increases the longevity of components and enhances overall vehicle safety. In conclusion, understanding DTC C1250-98, which relates to an internal malfunction due to overheating in the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVPU, is crucial for ensuring vehicle safety. Timely repairs not only resolve the existing issues, but also prevent future problems, thus maintaining the vehicle's performance. Recognizing symptoms and executing structured troubleshooting steps are integral to an effective diagnostic process. Preventive maintenance further adds a layer of protection, helping to extend component life and enhance overall vehicle safety. By following these guidelines, technicians can effectively manage and resolve issues, keeping Honda Civics operating safely and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.